These are animals once thought to be extinct, but were miraculously rediscovered. Comment which one shocked you the most. But first, you will have incredible luck if you like and subscribe before this video ends. First, the coelacanth believed to have gone extinct 66 million years ago, but rediscovered alive in 1938. Next, the pheasant pigeon declared extinct in 1882, but to everyone's surprise, it was rediscovered in 2022. Then, the takahe bird thought extinct since 1898, but it made a comeback in 1948 in New Zealand. Now, the Vietnamese mouse deer vanished since 1990, but scientists spotted it again in 2019. Finally, the Fernandina Island tortoise declared extinct in 1906, yet one was found crawling in 2019.